Hello there, welcome to our channel Login News again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to filter your spam and offensive comments on your TikTok videos. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's first open up our TikTok app. Now to filter the spam and offensive comments on TikTok, let's go to our profile, which is in the bottom right corner of your phone. Just tap in the profile button, and after that you can see the lined icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see the settings and privacy option over here. Just tap there, and after that you can see the privacy option, which is the second one under the category account. Just tap there, and now you can see the comments option over here, which is the second one under the safety category. Just tap there, and now you can see the filter spam and offensive comments available over here, which is the second option under the category comment filters. Now if you have getting a lot of spam and offensive comments, just tap it on the toggle icon on its right side like this, and when it turns green, TikTok will automatically start to filter all spam and offensive comments on your TikTok videos. And there guys, filtering spam and offensive comments in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.